I'm gonna show y'all a trick. Put you some chicken broth in it. The one with less sodium is the best one, especially for y'all that got high blood pressure. All right, y'all. So I'm coming in here with a made up recipe. I'm gonna let y'all know how it goes. I'm gonna pop y'all in and out. I'm gonna make a chicken Alfredo soup. It's gonna have chicken breast, lasagna noodles, and spinach and all the good seasonings. And then I'm gonna make some garlic toast on the side. So I just wanted to pop y'all in here to let y'all know. I ain't never seen it on TikTok. I ain't never seen it on no other social media platform. So I'm going to dibble and dabble in it. Oh yeah, and I don't know if I said Alfredo sauce and a little bit of heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna get all of that in together. And I'm gonna let y'all see how it turns out. So y'all stay tuned. All right, good people. So I'm gonna season my chicken breast. Massage it on in. After y'all get through doing it, make sure y'all wash your bottle off too, because y'all touching it raw chicken. And wash your seasoning bottles off as well. Now y'all do it like y'all do it, and I'm gonna do it like I do it. So don't come in here with no mess. So let's take it, get it real good and good. So now we're gonna let the chicken breast cook. We got 40 minutes at 375 in the air fryer. So the lasagna, the broke down noodles already. We already rinsed them off, got them cooled down. So the next step will be adding, sorry y'all, guys back there, he wants to go out. So the next step would be making the sauce, soup sauce, for everything to go into. So y'all stay tuned. All right, so right now I'm just breaking down the lasagna noodles. All right, so I'm just going to crack these lasagna noodles down, and so all you do is just break them down like that. Y'all hold the line. All right, so now just give them a good stir to make sure that they're not sticking, and let them do their thing. All right, y'all, so now it's time to make our roux. So what we're going to be using first is the Roa's homemade 4 cheese Alfredo. Now I know y'all been seeing this on TikTok, the spaghetti sauce. This is my first time using it, and we're gonna see what it's gonna do. So use a whole can of this. I mean a whole jar of this. I'm gonna show y'all a trick. Put you some chicken broth in it. The one with less sodium is the best one, especially for y'all that got high blood pressure. Listen to me. I'm not using water. I know some of y'all probably use water, but I don't want to water in it. So give it a good shake. Y'all see it disappearing from the top? Take that. Pour it on over in there. Y'all hold the line. I gotta get some more chicken. Hold on. Alright, so next we're gonna use 3 cups of water. Put that in there like that. And we're gonna go ahead and let that make its way through our sauce. Let that heat up real good. And after this, I'm gonna add my cheeses and then also the spinach. So y'all hold the line. Alright, so now we are going to stir our roux up. And alright, so now we are going to finish our roux. It's nice and hot. Everything's merging together good. So now we're going to go ahead and season it. And basically, I use almost the same thing y'all see me season the chicken breast with. And yes, my seasonings are clean and washed off. We do not want any salmonella contamination. So we're going to just season this real good. And I like a lot of garlic. So use garlic powder. This is dash. Of course, the black pepper. Onion powder. I know they say garlic powder and onion powder go in everything. Over here, it pretty much does. And some adobo, all-purpose seasoning. I don't even remember where I got this big thing from, honey. I don't remember, but that's what it is. And some parsley. Alright, so I'm going to take it, give it a good stir. Then we're going to get our cheese going. Then we're going to get our cheese going. Some mozzarella. And I'm going to slowly add this to it because I don't want it to be too thick and too stringy. So I added about a half of the bag first. We're gonna let that cook down. We're gonna let that cook down and see what the consistency turns out like. And then we'll add our spinach. Now remember, this is a soup. Now I will tell y'all that once you start adding your lasagna noodles to it, it will thicken up. But I mean, the consistency can be how you want it to be. I'm just making it how I like it. So if you want it the consistency that mine's turned out like, then just follow everything that I tell you. So we're gonna let that cheese break down and I'll be right back. So hold the line. Alright, so our cheese looks like it's broken down real good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my spinach. And for the spinach, I'm gonna do like 2 handfuls like this. Let it get down in there and stir it up. So our spinach is cooking down. Gonna let that cook together and then I'll come back and show y'all what the next step is. So hold the line. Alright, so we reduced the heat down to 4 and we're gonna go ahead and add our lasagna noodles back to our pot. I don't want to dump them because I don't want to splash on you. So if you're wondering why I'm doing it like this, that's why. Alright, so now smash them on in. And y'all see the consistency is soupy. It's not dry. So we're going to go ahead and just mix it around. Our spinach is cooked good. And see, it's got thicker already. You see the consistency of it? So those noodles, when you put them in there, it does thicken it up. Now, if you want to thin it out, it's totally up to you. I don't know what type of dairy you use. I use regular heavy whipping cream. So if I thicken it up, this is what I would use. If you want to thin it out, you can use chicken broth, or you can also add you another half a cup or so of water. But if you do that, it might take away some of the seasoning, so you might have to taste it and then go back in and put you some more seasoning in it. So now we're just waiting on our chicken to get finished. Y'all hold the line. All right, now, so we're gonna go ahead and remove our chicken breast from the air fryer. We're gonna do them one at a time. Y'all see how juicy that is? It's just running out. The juiciness all comes from the seasoning. So remember that if you season it right, it will not be dry. So we're gonna go ahead and slice it up. All right, y'all, so it is done. That is what it's looking like, and it's sliding, so I can't hold it straight up, but it is finally done. I did want to mention, if you do not like spinach, you can also substitute that for broccoli. So if you're not a spinach eater, substitute the spinach for broccoli or whatever vegetable you like. And I hope y'all like this video. This is your girl KG. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye. All right, y'all, so I got Mr. Gooch right here, and I want him to take the first bite. So it's hot. The plate is hot.
It's hot.
Yes.
It's hot. You hot. Damn. That's all I can take is one bite. You put a little bit of that broccoli on there, all on that money.
It's not broccoli, it's spinach.
Oh, spinach.
Y'all know he's sleepy. What you think? It's good.
Yeah. This is hitting. This is hitting for real. Man, what is it?
Y'all heard Mr. Gooch. It's lasagna soup. I mean, I said lasagna soup. It's chicken Alfredo soup. It's chicken Alfredo soup.
This is banging, y'all.
Y'all heard Mr. Gooch. He said it's banging.
She knocked that joint out the park.
Boom.